Dorian.
Hi. Over the years, I have shown you many rescues. Mostly dogs, many cats, animals that have been rescued from very complicated situations, positions, snatched from places where they shouldn't have been, animals that were injured in traffic, animals that were injured by humans, animals that have been found by the side of the road in terrible conditions and about to die. Now, many of those dogs and cats have gone through our homes, through our rescue rehabilitation centers, and they've been rehomed. Many. And today I am glad to say that they are in the 5 continents, basically. Many of those animals have been rehomed in a multitude of countries. But some of these animals, for one reason or another, have stayed with us. Now, some of them have chronic diseases and they were very difficult to treat outside, or they have kidney failure or something like this, and we just felt that it was an unfair burden to put on a family. Others were paralyzed or semi-paralyzed, which made their adoption very difficult. Nancy, for example. Nancy can move around, can run, can stand, but she falls. She's very unstable, and she just couldn't go to a normal home. Everybody that has come and visited us at our rescue centers, you have met her and you understand what the problem is. Animals like Marta, paralyzed, incontinent. Animals like Hope, paralyzed, incontinent. But we also have animals that they've simply been plainly unlucky. And today I'm going to give you an update on 2 of those dogs. First one, I'm going to tell you about Dorian. Dorian is a dog that was rescued 7 years ago. Will you believe it? His condition was terrible. He had leishmaniasis. The disease had eaten away most of his face. I mean, when I first saw him, I didn't even know. It was just terrible to see him like that. It took us months and months of treatment, and he recovered. And he recovered beautifully. Really, it was an amazing transformation. But he remained shy. He remained somewhat aloof. Bear in mind that his breed is not a very friendly one. It's a Chow Chow. It's a Chow Chow mix, I would say. And it's not the friendliest of dogs. But once he gets to know you, and once he trusts you, then he's all over you. He's amazing with other dogs. He's respectful and aloof. I will say respectful with people. If there's anybody out there that has a Chow Chow and loves the breed, you will understand Dorian. Have a look at this. This is Dorian today.
Siempre se pone así, ¿eh? Cuando vengo yo con la cámara. Cuando vengo yo con la cámara siempre se pone en ese plan. Dorian, ¿no te fías un pelo de mí o qué? Mira, cara confiado. ¿Qué me lloriqueas? Porque no te estoy acariciando. Míralo. Mira qué poca vergüenza tiene. El otro ahí. Míralo.
¿Te ha gustado Alex, Dorian?
Si suelto la cámara se deja.
¡Oh! ¡Oh! ¡Qué bien! ¡Qué guapo!
Esas ruedas hay que engrasarlas, ¿eh?
And then we have Coco. Coco was rescued last year. What an amazing doggy. He was found in Seville, in the south of Spain. This dog belonged to a family. He was dumped by the family on the doorstep of the home. He was always living there, and he was just waiting for his family to open the door, but they never did. He was just living there. We rescued him. We brought him to our hospital. We treated his condition. He had really bad skin condition. I mean, he had leishmaniasis as well. Really, he was in a really bad shape. But we got him up to speed. He recovered, and he's waiting for a home. I tell you, this dog is the funniest dog that we have at our home. He's a rascal. This is Coco.
Coco quiere que lo adopte Alex. ¿Te vas con Alex? ¿Te vas con Alex? ¡Ay! Corre, ven con Coquete. Maca.
Y como no hay comida,
La tía mayor.
Macarena sí que tiene amigos. Mira, me coge el dedo y todo.
Mira qué piquitito. A mi beso corronten.
Mira, qué bueno es.
¿Qué decimos de Coco? Y yo, pues que soy muy sociable. Siempre estoy contento. Me gusta corretear mucho. Y es muy, muy mimoso. Y le gusta un sofá más que a un toto, una piruletti. Menos cuando está fuera, porque cuando está fuera quiere estar correteando. Y no le gusta estar solo, le gusta estar con más perros. Eso sí, Siempre tiene esa cara de pena.
Carita de pena.
Hola, Maki. Ven.
¡Ay, que no viene! ¡Coco!
Ay, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
¡Coco! 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 Ok, te mueres ya, calla.
Coco, sienta. ¿Sienta?
Uy, Ya está con la cara de pena. ¡Ay, qué cara de bobo! ¡Ay, qué cara de bobo! ¡Uy! ¡Qué personaje es, de verdad! Hola, mi amor, Matita.
When I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the home chasing me through the air. You
¿Os vais de paseo?
La marca de paseo, cariño. Meto a... Mira, con esto voy a meter a... ¿A poco lo metías en transportín? Coco se porta muy bien, ¿eh?
Ella lloriquea, pero también.
A ver,
se
sujeta
porta.
a Maquita.
Sí, ella la tengo.
Coco, ven, cariño, vamos a meternos en transport. Vamos, cariño, mira. Muy bien.
These two incredible dogs are waiting for a home. On one side, Dorian, the Chow Chow. He's beautiful, but respectful of people. He keeps his distance. I'm sure one day we will find the right home for him. And then Coco, the shameless rascal. She's so funny. He's also looking for a home. Please write to me. Tell me everything about you, your animals. These dogs need homes. There's no reason why they should be there for life. Please adopt Dorian. Please adopt Coco. Write to me. And don't forget that we have been taking care of these animals for so long and in such beautiful condition and such a beautiful place because of the help of people like you. All of this is very costly and it's complicated. It's complicated. We need your help. We need your help. It's a commitment for life and we can do it on our own. Please, if you can, donate. Help me continue running this beautiful place. Please, if you can, join me on Patreon. Join me on my support group on Patreon. I need you there. Take care.